can you briefly introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Ben. I'm from New Zealand, but I live in Brunei.
So, what do you think of today's Brunei Enduro Series 2024?
It was tough. It was really tough. It's super hot today. We've been riding in the afternoons, the evenings, and the nice breeze. And yeah, today is brutally hot. Conditions are really dusty, quite sandy, really loose. Yeah, the corners were super slick, so it was tough, really challenging. And then the climbs on the trail were just brutal.
Like nothing for you.
Brutal, man. But the technicals, the chunky stuff, the jumps were really fun. I enjoyed that stuff.
Excellent.
Yeah.
How do you find MTB community in Brunei? If you think they're not as probably exposed as any other countries in the world, what do you think would perhaps help promote MTB community in Brunei?
Yeah, Brunei has quite a unique community. It's big, but it feels really small. You know, everybody knows each other and everybody rides in their groups together. It's really cool. Everyone's very friendly. Races like this really help. It's cool.
So we need more races.
Yeah. I think racing's really cool.
We need
There's a lot of
more
talented riders
organizers,
here. Yeah.
more sponsors.
And riding different trails as well. Trying all the more technical trails and the trails here where fitness is really important.
So which ones are your favorite trails in Brunei?
Me personally, 67. I like the routes, I like the technical, tricky stuff. The pedaling isn't my strength, as my legs are telling me right now. Yeah. But no, the community, the scene here is really cool.
Thanks. Okay, welcome to Brunei Enduro Series 2024 Reborn. We are here with, again, one of the pioneers mountain bikers in Brunei. Nama glamournya G-Bob Sexy Man. Can you briefly introduce yourself? Team apa?
Hi.
Your bike? What do you ride?
Assalamualaikum, good afternoon. Haji Bob, Amir Ahmad, Sixty-Man, so to say. I ride Yeti SB165. I ride for Kabun and the authorized dealer for Loose Rider Brunei chapter.
How do you find the race today?
Race was pretty awesome. Weather is hot, panas lah. Track all the SS is good except for 3 those. But overall, it's a good crowd. I mean, good to bring back the MTB vibe back to Brunei. And then for those out there, please support our MTB community, join all the races, and then have fun. See you all.
Okay, can you briefly introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Joseph, but they call me Jay. I'm a Filipino.
How long you've been riding MTB in Brunei?
I've been riding about 4 years. 4 years, yeah, 4 years.
Do you also ride in back in Philippines?
Last time when I go back, last year, but I start riding
Only
MTB
one.
here in Brunei.
What do you like about the MTB trails in Brunei? Which one's your favorite?
Favorite? Not say favorite lah, but most of the trails syok lah. Berakas, UTB, Putong also, and but bit far lah Putong. But Brunei MTB syok. Okay.
Okay, how do you find the race today? What's the target for today's race
No,
for you?
fun saja. If menang, alhamdulillah. Kalau tidak menang, okay.
Kalau
Fun
kalah,
saja.
kalau kah?
Nah, kalau pun tidak apa, fun saja.
How do you find MTB community in Brunei? Is it
bagus
good,
eh.
no good? And then
MTB
how can we
community
bring
Brunei,
more people to join our community?
MTB Brunei community bagus. Abang-abang bagus.
So, how can we promote MTB lagi? What do you think?
Buy bicycle, coba main MTB di Brunei, jumpa kawan-kawan, syok.
What about the cost of mountain bikes in Brunei? Is it? Do you ever compare with in the Philippines ke apa kah? And then how can we attract new riders? Mostly dorang cakap, they say MTB mahal, this sport is mahal. Tapi is it really mahal?
Depends lah. If you go for if you really want your bicycle to be lawa-lawa, then expensive lah.
If you want to be Rutipaon, right?
Yeah. If you just want to play, you can buy. Also,
Berapa roughly cost?
1K, 1.5. You can have
Still
a
good, right?
bicycle.
Still good MTB already.
Bicycle in Brunei more expensive lagi lah di Philippines lagi lah.
Oh, in Philippines more expensive?
Yes.
Oh, so Brunei kira okay sudah, cheap
Yes.
sudah.
You can
Affordable lah.
Second hand lah.
Second hand lah. Don't go for new ones lah.
Yes.
Unless you really...
Second hand, if you just a first rider, you can buy second hand saja. Then if you really siok sudah,
Then
if you
upgrade,
can
upgrade.
afford brand new, buy brand new lah.
Like level, then you upgrade.
Yes.
Okay,
MTB okay.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Enjoy rides. Kata ini, ane, yan na mo cakap English niya. Yan cakap kadayan saja. Ane salah seorang legend di Brunei. Legend MTB.
Legend
Oh, tapi mas ane, ano pa lang sudah.
Pemalu.
Pemalu siya.
Pemalu sikit.
Sa habis kita yang organize ka Brunei Enduro Series 2024.
Tapi kira menggunakan
Sponsor,
nama
sponsor.
Brunei Enduro Series. Apa nih? Yang lain lah menguruskan lah. Kira membenarkan menggunakan nama tersebut. Untuk support community
MTB.
mountain bike.
What do you think of today's race? Macam mana sambutan?
Sambutan alhamdulillah. Tidak ada masalah. Yang penting
Suasana.
sambutan kita nih oke. Suasana minuman yang paling best. Minuman makanan terbaik. Paling terbaik.
Dari sponsor kan?
Dari sponsor, daripada penganjur ya. Itu terbaik.
So, macam mana kita ini kan menghidupkan lagi, menambah lagi MTB community di Brunei ni? Macam for the last few months, I think makin kurang ah.
Makin
Now
kurang-
macam balik semula, alhamdulillah.
makin kurang sebabkan tidak ada event, kekurangan event. So riders pun makin kurang. So adanya event macam ini mungkin dia akan meningkatkan lagi, membanyakkan community, menghidupkan balik dan akan datang sini akan datang di tutong lagi adakan sama di Belait lah. Insyaallah mungkin akan
Di Belait toh?
Di Belait.
Hai, kita ni sekarang bersama salah seorang riders dari
Sabah.
Sabah, dari Keke.
Ya, dari Ranau.
Dari Ranau.
Ya.
Wow, even jauh lagi ya. So, boleh introduce your name apa, your age? You look very young.
Okay, I'm Dreviona Magdalena. Most people call me as Meg, and I am 16 years old.
Dari ada tim MTB ya?
Kilimu Adventure Park.
Oh, I see, dari Kilimu. Di sini loose rider.
Ya,
So, datang sini kena sponsor atau macam mana?
datang sendiri.
Datang sendiri.
Ya, budget sendiri.
Berapa orang?
Dari
You with your team atau?
with team.
Tapi you seorang siapa perempuan?
Ya, satu orang saja
Okay,
perempuan.
menang tadi.
Second.
Second, studio. I think faster than me already. What do you think of the race today, the MTB race? Macam mana? Syok? Anda syok? Kurang syok? Mau datang lagi? Anda mau datang lagi?
Siok, best.
Best, ah?
Tapi ada juga lah kenangan sini, sampai saya jatuh.
Ada.
Jatuh.
Jatuh. Anda apa-apa? Anda ada no injured?
Ada lah nih. Dia bengkak.
Aduh, kasihannya. Di Sabah, di Ranau, macam mana community MTB-nya? Ramai kah? Besar ke sana? Ramai riders, banyak riders? Selalu orang main? Kilimu?
Tidak juga. Kilimu saya sejak in my team.
You seorang saja main sana?
Ada juga lah tim saya tapi kurang dari 5 orang lah.
Okay. Semua perempuan ke tu?
Tidak.
Oh, with you with
Tiga perempuan.
you minat apa nih MTB? Downhill, enduro, XC?
XC, enduro, downhill.
Wah, semua. What do you think of the Brunei punya MTB community?
Bagus. Orang-orang sini friendly.
Memang lah.
Very friendly.
Macam mana dengan trail? Syok?
Trail,
Syok?
syok, flowy, best.
Wah, lebih ya. Tepat from naik lah.
Ya. Tapi mau nyuruh mau naik atas.
Sini dah ada update soalnya.
Ya.
Tadi you mention you suka semua XC, enduro, downhill. Today is the Brunei Enduro Series. Which bike did you bring today?
Marine bike.
Marine bike apa? Enduro? Atau
Enduro.
full suspension lah.
Ya.
Berapa travel? Itu ride saja?
Ya, tahu ride saja, tahu main saja, tidak tahu pasal bike.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Okay, we are with another MTB rider dari Sabah.
Dari Sabah.
Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Saya Rizal ataupun famous lah karena panggil Gijal orang bilang. As a traveler there di Kilima Adventure Park. So I have my own trail lah. Tapi different dari sini lah. Saya punya pure downhill sini memang betul-betul indoor lah, memang betul-betul indoor lah. Mati kita. Ya pure downhill.
Mati LS ah, LS mati.
LS SS pun mati juga. Tetapi SS 3
Which one your favorite LS?
Saya LS. LS ya kan ada. LS ya.
Your favorite?
paling
Sikit saja kami punya LS tuh. Dulu kamu punya Kilima punya LS
lagi panjang
pingsan.
lagi gila. Mungkin LS 5 lah, LS 4 lah yang pendek sedikit ya, boleh kena pedal lah, boleh kena pedal sampai atas ya. Yang lain tuh oke lah.
Which one your favorite SS tadi?
I like the SS2. This is the SS2 I like the most ya, antara semua lah.
Lagi banyak.
Terus ya benda yang saya mau yang ada di tempat saya tapi tidak. Sini ada. Itu saya suka ya, itu saya suka.
Apa itu?
Dia kami kasih dengan tuh parit-parit dalam tuh. Tangga-tangga tuh, best.
Oh, you suka that one? You suka the feature?
I like the technical, bro. Ya, I love it. Ya, itulah. Saya mau cari yang technical tapi saya tidak jumpa yang susah. Jadi senang betul saat dia Kilima macam Chelsea. Senang sangat berbanding SS2 tuh. Yang di sini ya. Ya. Kalau saya lah.
You like akar-akar?
I like rock. Akar kurang lah. Tapi
SS1 tadi tuh yang awal-awal ada.
kalau akar kalau kering oke. Tapi kalau basah, it's killing me, bro.
So how do you find the race today?
Everything good. Saya rasa oke lah. Oke. Dia overall race oke. Management oke. Saya rasa tidak masalah.
Weather oke.
Ya, weather oke.
So hot.
Sangat panas sebab kalau macam Rana tunjukkan
Yes.
ini panas memang benda baru bagi saya. Selalu pergi race pun mana ada panas begini. Bawa pokok kan ini open space jadi memang benda baru bagi saya lah.
Mencabar lah.
Memang mencabar dari segi weather lah juga. Kalau biasa bawa pokok memang weather antara salah satu cabaran bagi saya lah.
What do you think of the MTB community di sana right now berbanding dengan di sini
Kalau
di
saya-
Brunei?
Tidak boleh di-compare lah sebab masih di Ranau, kalau macam spesial Ranau lah tempat saya kan sendiri. Kalau untuk mountain bike yang ekstrim macam ni, orang masih takut. Jadi benda ni yang saya datang sini hari ni, saya mau tunjuk ni community yang kamu ada sini sangat-sangat bagus. Bagi saya sangat-sangat excellent lah.
Thank you.
Saya kena bawa benda begini, dia punya culture yang begini di sana. So saya harap lagi 5 tahun ramai lah. Sebab yang lokal yang ramai sana kan dari KK. Kalau yang Ranau tu je dalam 3-4 orang je. Paling ramai lah 4 orang gitu.
Dari KK ramai.
Dari KK boleh sampai 20-30 orang. Jadi kalau dari Ranau tu saja susah sangat cari rider. Trail ada, fasilitas ada sampai ada pump track semua kan.
Yes, ada
Tapi
uplift.
ada uplift. Tapi orang tidak mau lah. Benda ni bukan, sebenarnya benda ni bukan susah. Cuma kita kena belajar. Itulah.
Aja sebab
ya.
kena belanja.
Kena ya betul kena belajar. Itulah. Ya.
Okay, any last words, any apa pesanan
Any last words? My last word is I'm coming for next series.
Thank you.
Wait for me. I will appeal back my podium.
Oh.
This race, I will not prepare so well. So next race, mau coba fit sedikit lah.
Yes,
Ya,
and you
sini
need to
kena.
come, I think stay a bit longer.
Ya,
lah,
a bit
to
longer
get
lah.
familiar
So,
with the
ya, the weather lah,
trails,
ya trails.
and the weather.
Ya. Panas tu yang paling tidak boleh lah, tidak boleh mencabar. Kalau tempat kami redupkan, sini panas. Panas, memang panas. Okay.
Okay, so we have two international MTB riders here. Can you guys briefly introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Noble. I come from New Zealand, but I've been living in Brunei for the past 15 years. It's pretty fun.
I'm Micah. I'm New Zealander as well. I was born and I've lived in Brunei for my whole life.
So when did you guys start mountain biking?
I started at the age of 7 to 8, and I've been mountain biking with Kingdom Rides for the past 4 or 5 years.
I think me the same as well.
Today went great. My timings are a bit off. Training went alright. But yeah, personally,
Better than me.
during the next race we'll get better and I'll go faster. So until then I practice well.
What would you like to see in the future Brunei's MTB's races or events?
Some cooler jumps.
Cooler jump.
Yeah, and longer trails.
Oh.
Which would be pretty cool because you get a really long time and then a big jump. but probably it'd be a lot harder for kids like us because we're not as experienced as others.
Okay, we have another rider dari Sabah. Orang-orang kita juga baik ini.
Betul, Wak.
Please introduce yourself.
Nama saya Egi, asal dari kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Selalu ride di Brunei lah. Kalau ada race memang selalu support. Sebab orang pun selalu datang pergi Sabah, kita pun mesti datang pergi Brunei.
Terima kasih. So, what do you think of today's punya event or race?
First thing memang best lah sebab ada dia pakai dia punya timing system very good. Worldwide punya timing system spot hidden. So ndak boleh main tipu lah. Time dia memang accurate.
Okay, very good. Thank you. What about the trails in Brunei? MTB trails.
Trail best.
Nangali ka, naik sendiri climb.
1, 2, 3, 4. Memang bagus trail. Cuma kita yang dah bagus. Trail bagus, kita dah bagus.
Jangan jadi
Ah.
alasan.
Memang bagus.
Don't find excuses, ah.
Basikal ni semua main basikal ataupun road bike, tapi dia certain rider dia belum pernah cuba dalam hutan. Dia cuma atas jalan raya tengok atas, tapi kalau dia main dalam hutan baru dia tahu macam mana dia punya best dia, fun dia punya fun. Sambutan tip top, semua rider semua kawan macam family. Jadi mana-mana rider yang di Sabah, Sarawak, KL mesti datang Brunei. Baru tahu macam mana dia punya fun, dia punya trail sini mencabar. Lalu kita trail ada uplift. Okey. Ini no uplift. So dia betul-betul menguji kita punya ketahanan lah, fitness. Jadi datang baru tahu. Mesti datang.
Tapi barangkali advice jangan bawa downhill bikes lah.
No, dan boleh kalau
sanggup.
downhill e-bike.
Downhill e-bikes boleh.
Yeah.
So, what do you recommend? Pakai which kind of MTB sini?
MTB
Enduro or XC pun enough atau macam mana?
Enduro lah best. 150 depan
Travel.
cukup sudah.
You can have a lots of fun sudah.
Yes, of course. Okay.